In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your AGI or adjusted gross income on TurboTax for the year 2024. This process will be straightforward, and by the end, you'll easily know where to locate this important number within TurboTax. First, let's get started by navigating to the TurboTax official website. Once there, you'll want to head over to the Sign In section. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In and enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't logged in recently, you might be prompted to verify your identity, so keep an eye on your email or phone for any confirmation codes. Once you're logged in, head over to your TurboTax home. It's a central hub where you'll find all the relevant details about your tax filings. From here, find and click on the 2024 taxes option. This is where you'll see all your tax information for the current tax year. Now it's time to make our way to the review section by clicking on Review. Doing so will allow you to ensure all your tax data is entered correctly and up to date. Next, look for the Check My Return button and give it a click. This step is crucial to verifying the accuracy of your inputs and proceed to the next section reliably. TurboTax will highlight any errors or sections that need your attention, but for now we are focused on accessing the AGI. You will be prompted to click Continue several times as you move through various sections of the review process. This part of the procedure may seem repetitive, but it's essential to provide opportunities to make any necessary corrections to your forms and details. So, when asked, keep clicking Continue until you reach the summary pages. Eventually, you'll arrive at a page where you can select your taxable income. Here, you gain access to detailed figures summarizing your taxable earnings. It is in this section that we are getting closer to finding our target information. Finally, to locate your adjusted gross income, click on Adjusted Gross Income. This will showcase your AGI, which is calculated by adding up your total income and subtracting certain adjustments. Your AGI is crucial as it determines your tax liabilities, deductions, and eligibility for various credits. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate TurboTax to find your AGI for the year 2024. Remember, having accurate knowledge of your AGI is vital when preparing for tax season. I hope this guide was both helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides in the future.